Hey guys, Brent here. Just took this '07 Chevy Tahoe in through our car lot, and I was drove it home, and I was looking at the nav screen, and I noticed that there's no time up in the clock area. So I clicked on it, thought it would just be, an easy fix. So I went to set, and it still won't let you set the time here. So I did a little research. I want to do a video on the steps of what it takes to fix this. I don't know if it's common problems. First time I've ran across it. Of course, I haven't dealt with a whole lot of this nav radio. Seems like I'm just now kind of getting into this body style more for our lot. We have this and a couple of Yukons that have the same radio, but the clock has worked in all of them. So this one is the first one. I'll make it quick. Basically, you go to the main screen here. You go to menu over here, start off at menu, go to display, hold down, there's nothing here in the corner, but just hold down here and you'll see it's about 10 seconds or so, maybe a little less. You'll want to type in a code 295660, hit OK. Now it brings you to a screen diagnostic. You can go through all your settings here, nav settings, software, all that. The time's on the second one. Go to the second page, go to set time, and there you go. Show you year, month, day, hour, minute, second, whatever you need to do here. Of course, year. There we go. You'll go to the year, set the year, so on. Kind of hard to do it with me holding the phone here, but there we go. So 2008, we'll just kind of, I ain't gonna go through here, make you watch me go through all the settings here, but screen's a little funky. There we go. Hour, minute. So set. Go back, and there we go. Sorry it took a minute there. So you can see 10:05. Was just the random time that I picked. I'll go in and set the actual time. I didn't want to have to sit there and peek through the date and the time and all that. But just want to show how to do that real quick, and hope this helps. It definitely helped. I found the information reading online, so I thought I'd add a quick video. And don't forget to subscribe. We're doing all different kind of videos, whether it be just quick tutorials like this or how-tos and riding cool cars, detailing products. Even got a couple videos of my X-Max on there, my little RC truck, doing high-speed runs on it, just trying to see what kind of speed we can get out of it. So hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, could continue to watch. Appreciate it.